The PoolSkim is simple to install. Inside the box you will find a selection of fittings to make the installation as easy as possible. You will not need all of them, but they are included to cover the majority of installations. Here are the simple installation instructions. Firstly, locate the inlet. Now, switch off the pump. Next, unscrew the ring nut and remove the ring and ball. Screw on this insert until it is firm and tight. Connect the elbows from the body of the PoolSkim to the connecting ring nut. Remember, the body of the PoolSkim should always be covered by water for it to work effectively. To ensure this, the top of the body should be level and 4 to 5 centimeters under your mosaic. Where the inlet is high or very low, use a combination of 90-degree elbows and PVC pipe cut to the appropriate length. For intermediate depths, use a combination of 90-degree elbows, PVC pipe and 45-degree elbows. By adjusting the elbows to the left or the right, the PoolSkim can be directed to induce a clockwise or anti-clockwise flow around the pool. The aim is to set up a current that will bring all the floating debris to the PoolSkim and minimize dead spots where debris can accumulate. Once you are happy with the position, secure the connections using these stainless steel screws. Now attach the clip-on bag, then screw on the connecting ring. So now all you have to do is switch on your pump, and you will have a pool that looks like this all year round, even in autumn. PoolSkim, it really is your answer for a hassle-free pool.